Hey everybody, it's Bob Mortgage, and here's this week's mortgage report. If you're in the market to purchase a home, give me a call at 214-631-5626, or you can apply online at bobmortgage.com. All right, last week bonds showed continued weakness as the Dow continued to break records. The Fed left rates unchanged as expected, but will start reducing their balance sheet in October. While the start was expected, it was a bit sooner than most people thought. So what does this reduction mean for us? Well, the Fed will reduce their bond purchases by $10 billion per month. You heard me right, billion with a B. Now, in order for interest rates to stay in the same range, private investors will need to fill in the Fed's shoes and absorb the supply of bonds that were previously being purchased by the Fed. Bottom line, it's a big task. The big news, though, that came out of the Fed meeting was 75% of the Fed members see a rate hike in December, and 11 out of 16 see at least 3 rate hikes next year. That hawkish statement last week Wednesday pressured bonds lower and caused an intraday interest rate increase. Friday was a different story, however. Bonds opened strong due to North Korea promising another missile test over the Pacific Ocean. While this is not positive for any of us, the risk should improve bond pricing, however, as money moves from the riskier stock market into the safe haven of the bond market. So with that said, and the fact that mortgage bonds are still above the 100-day moving average, the purple line just above the blue arrow, my position this week is to carefully float. Now, while I'm recommending a float position, I will be watching closely market comments around North Korea as well as the market reaction to the recent hurricanes. These events have created billions, if not trillions of dollars of damages. That will create a construction boom that may last for a very long time. And this is bullish for the economy and will pressure rates, not in a good way. Look, I've been a mortgage advisor for over 20 years and have been very blessed to provide financing to over 25,000 families. I watch the markets to make sure I can get you the right home loan at the right price. I'd love to help you with your home financing options. Give me a call. With Bob Mortgage, your dream home is already within your reach.